Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can generate quizzes in Canva. All you have to do now, you can open the Canva PC version and don't forget to sign in with your account. So you can get this Canva app or software from official website. This is free. So again, you can click apps and click AI powered. Now you can scroll down and then try to find AI quiz maker. So quickly create quizzes using AI. Enter the quiz topic you want to generate and the AI will automatically create a list of quizzes for you. Add them one by one to your design or use bulk create to generate a large number of quizzes. Click to use a new design. And here, generate a quiz by providing a topic and specifying the number of questions and choices. So here what your quiz about and what your requirements. So this is the number of question or choice per questions. The minimum is 2, the maximum is 6. And here I write about superhero power quiz. So this is the question that already generated by AI quiz maker. For example, who can fly? Choices, Superman or Batman. Question 2, who has super strength? Hulk or Lantern. Question 3, who can turn invincible? Question 4, who can manipulate time? Question 5, who has telepathy? So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next video.